Students, welcome to our eVidya. Dear students, in previously we have all discussed that is eating healthy. That means we have to eat different kinds of food from the different group of food, okay, which will provide energy and it will also protect from different disease, okay. So it will also make our body healthy and fit. Clear? So today we will discuss, students, what is balanced diet and why it is important for our body, why we should follow also a balanced diet, okay. So what are the advantages and what is the balanced diet, we will discuss a little more about it, okay. So let's start, students. Eating all kinds of food in proper quantity will ensure that we are providing adequate fuel for our body machine, okay. A balanced diet is nothing but, student, eating equal quantity of or equal amount of nutrition from each group of food. We can say also, student, to eat equal quantities or proper quantities of nutrition from all group of food is called balanced diet, okay, because it will give we will get, by following a balanced diet, what will happen to our body, we will get a adequate energy. Adequate energy means a proper energy we will get from each kind of food, okay. It will provide a huge amount of energy with our body building, okay, and also it will fit to our body. Clear? So a balanced diet, everyone should follow it, okay. So however, just having a balanced diet is not enough. We also need a exercise regularly. Being physically active improve blood circulation and help us to stay fit. Yes or no, student? Not only to eat everything in proper way, it is not enough to our body, to body fitness, okay. Along with that, along with the balanced diet, we have to do exercise regularly, and being physical also, it will improve our blood circulation and it keeps our body very fit, okay. So we should follow a balanced diet with our physical exercise or any physical activity, okay, which will makes us our body fit along with a healthy life. Clear, students? So now we will discuss about a balanced diet, regular physical exercise, adequate rest, all are the equal important for proper function of our body, okay. A balanced diet, a regular physical exercise and adequate rest, all are equally important for our function of our body, okay, students. So how, if you want to ride a vehicle, student, we need fuel, first of all thing, okay. There should be wheel, there should be everything, should be every machine should be work in properly, then we can ride a vehicles properly. So not only if fuel is there, we cannot ride a bike, okay. You cannot ride a bike or any other kind of vehicles. You need every kinds of machine, it should be proper work, otherwise the vehicles not only it will not work properly. Only we not need the fuel, only we don't need the only the wheels or any other machines, okay. We need everything should be proper, fuel should be proper in a bike, the other machines of this vehicle should be work properly, then we can ride a vehicles or car, bus, tractor or bike or scooty, okay. So like this, student, not only our balanced diet is not only the one thing, it will help for, it will stay fit or it will help to body strong, okay. Along with balanced diet, student, regular physical exercise, adequate rest also we need. So these all are, if you will follow in proper way, then our body will be strong and fit forever. Clear, student? Now we will go to, students, hygiene. What is hygiene, student? Okay, hygiene is nothing but, students, we should do in proper things with very neat and clean. whatever we are eating, our body we should keep clean, and we should take different kinds of food and vegetables with proper quantity. Along with it should be very neat and clean. That is called hygiene. Okay, just we will listen about a student's life, how he or she is going to do every day her or their work, his work. So we will discuss from hygiene from these children. Okay, so Ankit was a very lazy and naughty child, like you. How you are very lazy and naughty, like this Ankit also is a children which is very lazy and naughty. Every time someone in the family told him to certain basic things. Okay, basic things we will say to everybody in our family. Yes or no? Your mom will be say everything, very small things. Okay, which you also know but you will not follow, but your family members, they will give certain advice to you in every day in your life. So his only response was why. Okay, only response is only why. Whatever your mom or your dad, anybody, your family members, if they will say you don't do this, do this, do this, don't do this, if you will, they will ask like this question, you will ask why mommy, why papa, you will ask like this. So like this Ankit also is a child. When their family members will say that Ankit, do that, before going to eat wash your hand, always their response, his response will become as a word that is called why. Why I should do, why you are forcing me to do that, is it necessary to do that? So why, today we will come to know why he will say, and why their parents or their family members will be say to him always to follow these rules. It is a not rule, it is a proper way to maintain our day to day life, for our hygiene body, for our good healthy. Okay, so let's start students. First of all, I think his sister is asking, Ankit, it's 12 o'clock and you still have not had bath? Go have a bath. Ankit always asking why. Then Papa or parents, dad, Ankit, you have just come from play. Go wash your hand first before you eat the apple. Okay, that means student, Ankit is a child which will not following anything. That means whatever he is doing with he is not washing hand in here before eating, and he is sleeping up to 12 o'clock. So this kind of bad habit he is following every day. So their family members are opposing him. Okay, Ankit, you are not coming with to me to that party like this. Go comb your hair. Okay, for every kind of work, for a small kind of work, he is not following anything. So your nails have grown so long, you should trim them. Ankit, you are sweating badly. Go have a bath. Ankit, stop watching TV. It is 11 p.m. Go to sleep. Ankit, I am not giving you breakfast. Go brush your teeth. That means student, he is not brushing, he is not sleeping well, he is not playing well also, he is not studying also, he is not washing his hand also, he is not trimming his nail, and he is not combing his hair also. So this kind of very simple things, basic things, he is not following. Yes children, when you will not follow, you will not wash your hand before eating, you will not comb your hair, your parents will guide you. So exactly you will ask that why we should follow mom, or you will ask your parents why I should follow this, why I should cut my nail, why I should comb my hair, why I should wash my hand. If you will not wash, if you will not comb, if you will not take bath, what will happen to me? So that question he is always asking why. Clear? So now we will get the answer from the why answer. Why he is asking, and why their family members are telling to him why you should do this, why you should follow this. So we will get this every why's answer here. Why bath student? Okay, it is very important student. Everybody in our life we should follow this kind of rule, because it will keep our body healthy and hygiene. It will protect from our different disease. So take one by one we will start. Why bath student? Why we should bath? There is a dust in air. The dust sticks in our skin. to our skin. If we don't take a bath to clean our skin, the layer of the dust will keep sticking to our skin and soon it will be block the pores. This make us sick. In hot weather, when we do any physical activity like playing or evening walking, we sweat. This sweat attracts germs and dust. It also make us smell bad. We must bath to keep the largest organ of our body clean. Okay, our students. That means student, when you do not take bath, when you will playing outside in very summer seasons, what will happen? You will get very sweat. In that sweat, what will happen? The whatever the germs particle are there are moving around the house, means in air, they will attach to our body. What will happen again? Then in our body there is a small skin, very small pores are there. You can see student, it is a very small pores are there on our skin, but it is cannot seen. With the help of microscope only we can see. But I am telling just to go through this what I am showing you. So because that pores will be blocked, when the pores will be blocked, we will get sick because the whatever the waste material it will not come out from our body. So what happen? So we should wash our body very properly. Then the pore will be always open. The waste material will be properly come outside. Clear student? So it's a very important point. Our largest organ in our body, that is called student skin. Okay, it is the largest organ in our body, that is called skin. Clear? Why brush student? Why we should brush? Without brush we can eat also. So every time we eat and drink, food particles not only the stick in our teeth but also in tiny little space between our teeth. If this food is not removed by the brush or flossing, cavity will form and damage the teeth. Toothache is very painful. That means student, see, we are eating or drinking every kinds of food and minerals and vegetables and drinks also we are eating and having. So what will happen? We will not brush, we will not wash it properly. The space between the teeth, let it is the teeth, okay? The space between the teeth, food will be stored here, and that food will be make the very toothache, okay, or damage our teeth, okay? The small insect will be and small germ will be created there, which will decay our teeth and it will be very painful to our teeth. So we should follow regular teeth brush. Why comb student? Combed hair not only make us look neat, it also keeps our hair healthy by improving circulation. Okay. See student, why we should comb hair? Because first of all thing, it will not looks good. If we comb our hair, it will gives a very neat look to our body, our face. And another thing, so if we will comb hair, then our hair circulation will be improved, okay, which makes our body also healthy. See, whatever organs are there outside or inside our body for our health only. If we keeps us them healthy and if we proper guide them, then our body also be healthy and fit forever. Clear student? So now we will go for another. Why keep hands clean? Why we should wash our hand? Without to wash your hand we can eat also. So why we should clean? So let's start. We use our hands for many activities, including playing and cleaning ourselves. After doing a toilet, our hands become dirty. Air also contains germs. These germs also stick in our hand because we are using them all the time. So we should wash our hands well with soap and water after playing, after going to toilet, before eating anything, so the germs don't enter to our body. Okay? Means with the help of God given that hands, we are using this hand in for every kinds of work. It may be toilet wash, it may be vehicles wash, it may be our body clean, it may be in do different kinds of work. So do these different kinds of work while we will doing. So many different germs will be attached to our hand. Okay, if you will without wash, if you will eat, that germs will go to our inside our body and stomach. It will create some disease in our body. Okay, so we should wash before eating any kind of things, or if you will do any kinds of work. After work also we should wash your hand. After eating also we should before eating also we should wash your hand, and after eating also we should wash your hand very properly. Okay, so that the germ never ever enter to our body. Clear? So why trim nails regularly, student? Why Trim nails regular. Dust and dirty accumulates in long fingernails, and when we use our fingers for eating, these enters to our body. Short nails are easy to clean. Student, yes student, see if I will keep very big nail and there inside the nail, the germ will be stored, because the germ is everywhere in our environment. Okay, so that while eating it will go to our inside our body, that it will make our body ill. So we should clean our nail, as well as we should cut our nail every day. Okay, we will not give to allowed to grow it. So understood student, to keep the body in good health is a duty, otherwise we shall not able to keep our mind strong and clear, Buddha said. Okay student, it is very important student, you have to remember, we keep the body is good health is a duty, we should follow, it is our duty, otherwise we shall not able to keep our mind strong and clear. Okay, because our body and mind, they are together. So to keep our mind healthy and strong and clear, we should clean our body and we should keep our body very healthy. It is very important. If your body is good, then your mind always good and you will be always happy. So this said by God Buddha. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this about things. Next class we will discuss about student what is the disease and what is the deficient disease and why we should follow or not follow for disease. Okay, so thank you student, take care.